Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in fate.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today is Sunday. Let's start there. So today is Sunday, what's today? April 27th, or no, April 28th. And I am on my way to meet up with my sisters. We are going to head to a local food truck festival. So you guys are gonna hang out with us today. I haven't done this by myself in a minute. Mr. Christian is at home watching the game because you know the NBA is in playoff season right now. So he's into the game. So I'm gonna hang out and we're gonna have a little girls' day with my sisters. I'll let you guys see them when I get there. Hope you guys have fun hanging with us today. Hey. So I finally made it, guys. It took forever to get here, but I'm meeting my sister and my cousin. We don't know where we are, but we're about to go see what's popping. Okay, let's see what they talk about. Hi, Key.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hey.
Really, she's so really. Nephew knocked out. Hi, Casey. Say hi to the vlog, guys. This is my sister. This is my nephew, Casey.
I got french fries and salt all everywhere.
All right, we're about to go see what's going on. It looks like
good.
everybody's leaving. What's happening? Okay.
Nah, people just been coming in and out.
All right, we're going that way.
All these service tables.
One more night. Let's make things right. Stay one more night. Let's make things right.
Back in the car from the festival. You guys probably saw a little bit of the festival. So it was cool. Met some cool people. Kind of vlogged some footage. Ate some good food. Had a little dessert. Now we are going to go and have a little drink. Hey, we're gonna go have a little margarita just to cool off a little bit because it's so hot. But I'll see you guys. I'm telling my cousin to go. We're all following each other. I'll see you guys when we get to the restaurant where we're gonna have margaritas at. I know the lighting is kind of off because I'm driving, but yeah, we are on our way to get a little margarita to cool off. Like I said, I'm following my sister, guys. My sister she drives super fast, so I definitely gotta make sure that I keep up because she be getting it, baby. But it was really nice. Like, it's almost over now. It's 3:40. It's over at 4 o'clock. So I see like live music. I couldn't really vlog all of it because, you know, some people don't like to be on camera, but I vlogged what I could. I'm gonna vlog some more when we get to the restaurant. Drop some of this weight. I told Mr. Christian I don't plan on wearing any clothes this summer, but he was like, stop playing with me. But anyway, yeah. So we'll see you guys when we make it to the restaurant, because I got to keep up, girl. I got to keep up, guys, because they getting it. All right. Yeah, Applebee's, y'all. I'm about to eat.
Oh, we ain't even started.
You can bring 3 waters.
3 waters? All right. So we have one more person joining you?
Yes, she went to the restroom. Yes. So we hot, y'all. We about to get a drink.
It's real hot. This is in Texas.
Like a real drink. This Texas heat about to be real. Don't y'all be out in this heat without taking showers and carrying deodorant now. Please do.
I think that's.
So they have this new strawberry Twizzler margarita that I think I'm gonna try. What he say?
He was like, I think you dropped your pocket, and here I go looking.
Oh. All right, so we got the Twizzler margarita. It's on the rocks. We thought it was frozen, but it's pretty good. Kiki show smacking on She's smacking hard, y'all.
Is that Patron?
Yeah. It tastes like but we about to go ahead and have these drinks. Enjoy these drinks. All right, you ready? I'm ready. Go.
She ready, kind of like Parmesan on spaghetti, and I'm spit fish. All of this pup. I guess I'm starting to stutter. I'm hoping that I can keep going smoother than butter. All of these girls keep making me want to hover. I ain't looking for no lover, but at the end of the day, it would be nice to have a significant other. Yeah, this is coming straight from my brain. I'm talking about all of these people that got all that pain, that driving them insane, straight coursing through their veins. Got all this pain and hatred coming out of their core, sweating out of the pores. And at the end of the day, all they want is more. Everybody talking about kicking in doors, but that shit really just make me snore. So I'm just trying to do something different. Everybody putting up a resistance, and now I don't mean no interference, but this is just me. I hope that you can see that every man proves himself worthy by his deeds. And yeah, he come through after his actions. Everybody breaking down smaller than fractions. And yeah.
All right, what's your Instagram? Tell them your Instagram.
Kosik1, KOSIK1.
All right, guys. Follow him on Instagram. Guys. So, we are done. The guy you just saw in the video was one of the guys that work at the restaurant. He wanted to rap for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little clip of him spitting bars. I thought it was hilarious. He told me that his homeboy just opened up his concert for Lil Flip, y'all. If you don't know Lil Flip is like, I think he's a Houston rapper. He's a Houston rapper. But that was hilarious. I thought that was so funny. Of him wanting to rap. I told him I was gonna put it on our YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm headed back to but we had a good little time, just girl time, talking, drinking, you know, doing our thing. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog right now. And guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I don't know if you can comment below because most of the comments were disabled, but if you can, comment below and give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video.